Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can unarchive cards in Trello, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a board over here with some lists and some cards in them. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can unarchive these cards if you happen to archive them. Now to archive a card, you can either right click and then select archive from here, or you can click on it, enter the edit menu and then scroll all the way down and click archive, which I'm going to be doing. Now, as you can see, here it says this card is archived, and at the bottom I have the option to send it back to the board or delete it. I'll just exit this just for a moment to let you guys see that the card is indeed gone from the list. Now, what we need to do to locate it again is go to these three dots, click on archived items, and make sure we're set to cards. If you see cards, that's where you're supposed to be. But if you see switch to cards over here and no archived lists here, you're going to need to switch to cards. And now you can see all the cards that you've archived. You have the option to send to board and an option to delete. Just make sure you click send to board so that you can send it back. And as you can see, now it is gone from the archive and it should appear back here. So let me just reload the board and it should appear right now. And for some reason, it's completely gone. I'm not sure why that happened. So let me try this again. Archive this, go to the archived items. And for some reason, it's back over here. So let me just send it to board through this. And as you can see, now it's sent back to board. And excuse my phone. I'm just going to mute it just for a second. But yeah, you can send it back to the board and it refuses to do so for some reason. Or you could send this one to board, just like so, and as you can see, it appears back here. Make sure you don't click the delete button, because if you do, it's going to be permanently gone. However, you will get an alert that you're trying to permanently delete it, like so. As you can see, you need to make sure that you don't press this button, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.